YouTuber Jenny, who has achieved over 600 million views in the past year alone, explains that her success can be attributed to adding a story and a twist to her videos. She believes that a good short is one that has a strong hook, which should be very visual, understandable without even listening to it, and simple enough to push viewers through. To generate hooks, Jenny uses various techniques, such as drawing, sketching, or imagining until something clicks. The first step is to create a visual that is concise and easy to understand. She then uses a readability checker to ensure that the video is understandable to at least 5th grade or under. Mr. Beast, one of the best shorts creators, has analyzed thousands of shorts and found that the most popular ones are in 1st grade level. After scraping the scripts of a bunch of shorts, she realized that the range of readability for her content was slightly higher than the average. However, she also avoids using words like business or finance and instead explains the definition of profit. When users visit YouTube, they can open a short by changing the URL to like watch $v equals, which will send them to the actual YouTube page. Then, they can click on the transcript and analyze why these shorts are working. This process helps them pull together their own short strategy and is exciting as the creator's science guy. In summary, creating a successful YouTube short requires a combination of storytelling, a strong hook, and a unique twist. By analyzing thousands of shorts and analyzing their readability, creators can create engaging content that resonates with their audience.